This is a quick tutorial on how to resolve the Excel error, "The file is corrupted and cannot be opened." Now let's discuss the methods to troubleshoot the error manually. 1. Disable the Protected View option. Open MS Excel. Click the File tab, then click Options. From the Options dialog box, select the Trust Center option. Click on Trust Center Settings. Select Protected View and uncheck all the options. Click OK. 2. Adjust the Component Services settings. By adjusting the component services, you're changing your Windows registry. Be careful and operate cautiously. Click Start and enter dcom. Expand Component Services, Computers, My Computer. Right-click My Computer and choose Properties. Switch to the Default Properties tab. Then set the value of default authentication level as Connect and the default impersonation level as Identify. Click Apply, then OK. If the manual methods fail to fix the Excel error, you can try to fix it by using Stellar Repair for Excel software. This is the main interface of the software. Select the file to fix the error. To start the repair process, click Repair. Once the repair process completes, the software displays a preview of the recoverable data in the repaired file. Let's save the file by clicking on the Save option. Here, select the location as per your requirement to save the repaired file. Now, click on Save. A message confirming the file is saved at the desired location is displayed. Let's check the repaired file. As you can see, the Excel file now opens with all the data intact. Thank you for watching. Hope these methods worked for you in resolving the Excel error, "The file is corrupted, cannot be repaired" error. If you've any queries, leave your comments below.